Connecting up.
Wadelay may yes.
Kuunganika juu.
In.
Adentro.
Garakesat.
Out.
Porambo.
Conectémonos arriba.
Connecting up.
Garolit.
In.
Ndani.
In. Wadegon may yes.
Out.
Afuera.
Greetings to all the wonderful congregations in the Metropolitan Washington, D.C. Synod of the ELCA. I'm Pastor Margareta Kleiber, the chair of our Synod Assembly Planning Team, and it is my privilege to invite all of you to our 2018 Synod Assembly. It will take place on Saturday, June 16th at Lord of Life Lutheran Church in Fairfax, Virginia. And we have planned a wonderful and inspiring event. The guest from the church-wide offices this year will be Christina Jackson Skelton. She's the Director of Mission Advancement. She is a thoughtful and dynamic woman and will bring us news from the wider church. We also have a slew of interesting workshops. Last year you told us that you wanted more, and so we are bringing you more workshops. This year, in addition to electing members of our Synod Council, we will also be voting members of the 2019 Church-wide Assembly. Secure your spot at our Synod Assembly and join us that day for inspiring worship and for opportunities to learn so that you can go back to your congregations and bless them with the wonderful work that God is doing in this Synod. Thank you.
Connecting up.
Up.
Ulum.
Garabakit.
Nje.